Going on, people? It's your boy David, Trill, whatever you want to call me. Look, I'm glad to be back teaching online yoga. Finally, all the way certified Yoga Alliance. Thank you to Julia Thomas, my instructor with the Sedona Flow. So I'll also be doing sessions online, private throughout the Montgomery area. I do plan on traveling and all of that thing, and all of those different natures, coming to a college campus near you, coming to a work environment to you to spread the knowledge of yoga to help relieve stress and help get into the flow of what you need to get the greatest energy that you have within you. So today I'll be doing a lower back focus. Everybody usually has something that they can improve on their lower back, whether it be strength or mobility. So we're going to start off in meditative Sukhasana position. You can't cross your legs, just bring them out like here. Keep your back as straight as possible, spine straight. Deep breaths through the nose, out the nose. Open the eyes. Keep the breath concentrated. You're going to grab the ankles and bring the soles of the feet to touch. We're going to be doing a Baddha Konasana, bound angle posture. You're going to bring the feet into the groin as much as possible. Interlacing the fingers, bringing them around the feet and having the thumbs around the big toes, back as straight as possible. And at first we're going to sit up straight, and then we're going to lean forward with our elbows on our calves to further stretch the groin. But first, sit up straight, deep breaths. On the inhale, you're going to extend up, spreading the elbows out slightly wide into the calves, lean forward, bringing the chin to the chest, pushing down, drop it slightly and gently, opening up the hips, deep breaths. Inhale, you're going to rise up slowly. Unlock the fingers, hands on the outside of the knees. You're going to spread the feet out wide, shoulder distance width apart. The left hand coming through underneath the left leg. You're going to grab the right ankle and bring the right leg down, like so. You can stay here, or you can bring your left leg over the right leg. You can stay here if you're able to twist and be as flexible as this, or you can keep your right leg straight, crossing the left over or keeping it over. Always remember to depend on what your flexibility is. That's what yoga is, teaching you what you can know about yourself. So if you need to stay in a space where you can feel your form is good, but you can't twist yet is always key. Wait until you can. So for those that can, we're going to have the right leg tucked, twisting, right elbow on the outside of the left thigh, twisting over, looking over the left shoulder. Keeping the back as straight as possible, deep breaths. And like I said, you can't twist all the way if you have to be here. Always just make sure your form is straight, your posture is straight, shoulders are even as possible. Focus on the breath. Gently untwist and straighten the legs. Coming back to the stance we were in. You're gonna grab the right leg, the right hand, going underneath the right leg, bringing the left leg down. Keeping the leg here, twisting, either grabbing the right knee with the left hand, twisting, or the left elbow over the right thigh, twisting. Keeping the leg straight, crossing over, or keeping the left leg tucked, crossing over with the right leg, turning to the right. Untwist, bring the leg back. Now we're going to be scooting the groin close to the heel of the feet as much as possible, lying back. Mind you, this is just a quick 15-minute. You can do more if need be. 30-minute low back focus, just to get feeling right if you're in the car for a while or something like that. So now we're going to be doing a bridge. You're going to have the legs like this, keeping your feet planted within the ground as if tree roots are growing through your feet, making sure that you're firm and steady into the ground. You're going to be keeping your thighs strong. We're going to be pushing up with the hips, thrusting up, keeping the shoulders tucked underneath us to give an accented boost to our neck to have a better form and posture instead of just going up. So we're going to be tucking underneath like so, pushing the chest out slightly, and we're going to be pushing up. Now if we were to have blocks, which I will have blocks, we'll be placing the blocks right underneath the sacrum. And if you don't have blocks and need support and you can't go as high, you can have your hands like this, right underneath your sacrum. And if you can go higher, you can double fist, stacking. The ideal is to keep the shoulders underneath, deep breaths. And be strengthening the lower back, feeling a stretch in the front of your hips. Release coming down. Now you're going to rock the legs up, stretching the left leg out, interlacing the fingers around the right shin, bringing the shoulders back and down just like we did in the bridge. Deep breaths, keeping the right leg flexed, foot flexed. Release the foot, release the fingers, stretching the right leg out, bringing the left leg in. Shoulders back and down, bringing the knee to chest. Deep breaths. Flexing the left foot. You can feel that stretch and flex in the shins, especially if you stand a lot where you're working or walk a lot or run, depending on what your lifestyle has. Release. Now you're going to bring the right leg in. And before we grab both, we're going to bring the arms to counterbalance. If you cannot twist your whole body all the way over, This is where you would have a soft pillow or blocks right here to your knees. Because we're going to be twisting Jatara Parivartanasana, stomach revolving pose. Having our knees onto the mat, onto the ground as much as possible. Arms are counterbalanced. Looking down the left arm, knees to the right. You can keep your right hand can be on your knees for more support for the twist in the spinal area. Or you can extend the legs out, grabbing them by the big toe with your fingers. Preferably your index and your thumb. Deep breaths. Gaze to center. You're going to be pushing through with the upper body, bringing the stomach back. Deep breath through the nose. Exhale. Down to the left, gently bringing the knees to the mat, to the ground. You can extend your legs out. Obviously, I can't. You're going to bring your left arm, your left hand to your knees. Looking down the right arm, deep breaths. Relaxing the body. Remember to relax the neck as well in this pose. Release. Inhale, coming back. Exhale. Now we're going to be bringing the arms around the shins, interlocking the fingers around the shins. Bringing the knees to chest for Apanasana, downward air posture. Shoulders back and down. Deep breaths through the nose and out the nose. Gradually bring yourself in. At the start, you can gently rock the spine into the earth. Giving yourself a nice massage for the spine. Come to a still. Gently unlock the fingers. Hands to knees, push the knees out. Soles to the feet, onto the earth. Spread the legs out. Adjust yourself. Straighten the legs out, having the heels be pretty much to the corners of the mat at the end. Gently letting your legs go. Resting on the outside of the calves. Resting the shoulders. Palms facing up for Shavasana. This is where you clear the mind the most. Appreciate the practice and the healing that it's bringing and the healing that it has brought. Extra love to our core. I would call our trunk, not the core, excuse me. Our trunk being hips, hamstring, and the lower back. We will do more work with the hamstring for the lower back because I know many people have tight hamstrings, can't bend over as much. I'm talking to Shavasana, but I'm trying to get it through. Outside observer.
Extend the arms over the head. Bringing the ankles to touch. Stretching the body out long as if somebody was pulling to from the arms. And the toes stretching out long. Roll onto the right side. Bringing the left palm to the mat or to the ground. Pushing yourself upward to a seated Sukhasana, back straight. Shoulders back and down. Hands to heart center in prayer. Thank you for practicing with me today for the lower back. Have a strong trunk. Have a strong week for your hump day. No puns intended. Namaste. Like I said earlier, more videos to come, more lower back, more hamstring work, upper body strength, everything needed for your body in yoga, breathing, pranayama practice, meditation. Email me below if you need any work done in the local area, wherever you are, wherever you need to be. I'm here to work. Higher code is back and in better effect of everything needed. I appreciate everybody helping me along the journey of the certification and along in the journey of just being a better man. And yeah, we on it.